Hi, welcome to Kaelan's train vlogs. I'm sorry I did this quite late, but 35:26 and 36:42 just went by. I think they're pulling the Kaelan picnic train. I had no idea they were coming through, so I'm so sorry I'm late. I'm sorry that was a bit late, and if you heard a ringtone, my mum was calling me about the train. She heard it. I'm sorry about the ringtone, and I'm so sorry about it being late. I'm very sorry. It's already gone, and I'm about to do a vlog at Loftus. I might put this in the video. That's a train and catching down there. Jeez, I had no idea that was coming. I'm gonna go now. I'll come back when I get to Loftus. And yeah, see you there. Bye. Guys, before I go to Loftus, I'm just gonna say that I might be able to upload a vlog of 36:42 and 35:26 going by again. Oh, look at this, there's clips. And a whole lot of cigarette packs. I might come back down here and just vlog about. Yeah, then I don't know if they're going to go buy Mossman line or whatever and do other stuff, or they're going to come around back up here. I'm not entirely sure, so yeah, it'll depend. I'm going to ask my mate about it, and if they don't know, I don't know either, so I don't know. It depends what happens, so see you later. Bye. Hello, welcome to Kaelan's train vlogs. I'm going to be filming up Loftus today, and just before I start, I'm just going to film the tramway. It's not open today because it's Saturday. Oh wait, it was a train. I don't know why, but something on today. I don't know. The gates are open. But there's no train there. I am confused and puzzled. And there's a train in there and a river. And 1,000. And here we go, we're at Loftus. Close to the back. Just a little bit. I can't see the set now. Sorry guys. I don't know the front four cars, but the rear four cars are TA. Oh, it's a nice HQ. Yes, as I said, today I'm at Loftus. I'm so sorry about earlier. About with the steam, the double header. I'm really sorry I didn't get it. Here's an overview of Loftus. You got the main building over here. It's much bigger than the main building apartment too. Just like, holy cow. Tiny. Yeah, it's absolutely tiny. I forgot there's a tap. So I need to tap if I can find a tap machine. Yeah, vending machine, lovely. I cannot remember the last time I was actually here. Here's the back of the station, just here. Got the assistance thing. That's just down to the car park. That's up to platform 2. There's kids up there, and I don't want to show on camera. So you got some bins. Yeah, so that is tiny. That's pretty much the only cover, main cover. Yeah, it's tiny. At least you got some bins. And you've actually got some of those things in there. Yeah. Just gonna go pretty quickly. I'll be there when I'm over there. Okay, bye. This is an overview from the bridge. That's southwards. Here, tramway. And yeah, that's northwards. Just gonna take you down the road quickly. There's a train going right there. Soon. Sorry about that, there's just some kids. So I'm just gonna come over to share that cars and we've got a train coming. Got T95.
The train on platform 2 goes to Waterfall. First stop Engadine, then Heathcote and Waterfall.
T64 and T. The other one.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
You got the vehicle cars, T64, IKEA, I'm sorry, I can't remember the cars.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Waterfall. First stop Engadine, then Heathcote and Waterfall.
Yeah, you got like the most tiniest thing in the world. Oh my god. This platform is about to. This might just be bigger than Zigzag Station. I love this bit. That's surprisingly, you know this. Somehow. That's laugh. Yeah, that's the south end, that's the north end. Just gonna take you for a walk over here. Yep. Show with me. You wanna pause and read that? Oh, there's a sick thing over there. So random kids just yelling at me. Just gotta ignore them. See tramway museum. I'm just gonna zoom out for you. There you go. You got TAFE. Just gonna walk you up here. Yeah. God, I actually look quite sick. Whoops, I just deleted something on my phone. Yes, I'm wearing thongs. Don't judge me. As I said, you got the TAFE there. There's a look on the north end of that. North. North end of that. Then I'll just take you back down here. If I remember, the next train's here in about half an hour on platform 2. There will be a train passing. I don't know when on platform 1. If it's a friend or is it just something else. Just come over here. You got like a little work tram. Oh, that's cute. It's small. I'll just take you up to the north platform. Kids just start shouting at me. I don't want to hear me. There's more of the tramway right there. Just gonna walk out this way. Originally the tramway, this wasn't the first tramway main museum. The main one was actually down the national park. Like in the middle of it. Oh, you got a camera truck! There's a camera truck. Yeah, I'll just show you there. I can get a good view of it. Actually, I'll zoom in on the camera truck. Hang on. There it is. The guarding is sort of broken. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, it's sort of broken. Yeah, a train that says Brunswick on it. And then you got another. Oh, looks like a train from San Francisco. What's that? I don't know if that's a train from San Francisco or anything, but yeah. If I can just zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So that's here right now. We'll go up onto the bridge and then when the next train comes by, I'll film it for you. Unless it comes earlier, I'm not really on the bridge or anything, so see you on the bridge. Here's a closer look at that train. Oh, I can hear the bells though. I can hear the e-bells. I don't know what's happening today. They're only meant to be going on Wednesdays and Sundays, not Saturdays. Well, they can do Saturdays if it's a public holiday. I don't know. So, I don't know if you can hear it or not. But there are e-bells going for the crossing in between here and the Royal National Park just over there. So, yeah. Just gonna come up here for view. Just carefully see the view. Here. Trying to get some kids in here, so share. There's a girl in the middle of the train. Bogies and we're trying to okay. I'll just stop there and let the train come today. Oh, I see a train coming. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see it or not because it's behind the bushes. but I'll give it a shot trying to see it. Can you see it? I think it has a bit of red on it, but I can't even see it. I can't. Oh, I nearly just dropped my phone. Okay, I would be dead if I dropped my phone. There's a tram. I'm not even gonna film over that edge anymore, so yeah, I'm never gonna do that again. Never. Just, that's what people come and say. Yeah, it's just stopped over there. I'm just gonna take a Satany. And just at least you got some bins in it. And I am thirsty. There's no taps. I am doomed. Is there even toilets here? Oh, I think there's toilets over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Some specks on the side that lit up. Got the emergency help point, whatever that is. Some light that I don't even know if it can work or not. You know, let me. Tomorrow, I might upload a vlog about this. I'm going to be going from here all the way to here. Yeah, that is going to take me a while. I'm going to get off here and get some McDonald's. Yeah. In 20 minutes, the next Loftus will be coming. Look at this man. He's got the perfect smile. Yeah, a lot of grass underneath the building. That's for sure. Just gonna come up here. Let's give you another view from up here. I know I've already just been up here, but yeah, I don't care. I can give you another view if you want. No, I can't tell if you want because this is pre-recorded, so I'm not live, so whatever. I was thinking of actually doing a vlog live, like just having it vlogged live, like just from YouTube. Like you can press a live record button, and there you go. I won't be reading anyone's comments or anything because I won't have anything else to record, so yeah, that's bad. Oh, you got a tram. It's a Japanese one. Or Chinese, I don't know. And now they're switching the tracks, that's what. Oh, that's a cute little one. And I don't know what that road's doing now. What is it doing? I'm just gonna follow it and see where the flip it goes. Is it gonna buffer up to that? Can it even buffer up? I don't see any cufflinks, but whatever. If it's just gonna leave it there or not. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, I get back. I'm just gonna follow it now. Is that crazy down here? Maybe that's the car on the tracks, of course. I'm just curious myself. As I said, I might upload another vlog about 36. No, I'm getting the engines wrong. 3526 and 3642. They will double header in a train, probably down the Kaelan or something. So yeah, when a train comes by, I will get it on camera. We have, I don't know what's coming, but there's something coming, I can hear it. We have an Oscar. I can't see what set it is. H44 for a Bondi Junction service. And H47. second ago this thing was revving, but before I just started filming it stopped, and there's a either Japanese or Chinese tram. If anyone knows, can you tell me in the comments, because I literally have no idea. Whatever, it's a tram, who cares? Yeah. A car park over here, so that's pointed out earlier. Sorry. Then you got the others ramp. I don't want to drop my phone. And then back on platform 1. Yay! Oh, and I had a tram. I don't know if it was that one or not, but whatever. There we go. Well, I just came back from platform 1. I just realised that another tram just popped up. Yay! There you go. I'm just going to go over that fair train, alright? See you there. We have a Bondi service coming on platform 1. 2:15 is the front 4 cars. As I said, 2:15 is for cars, and 2:15 is departing for Bondi services that will be Sunderland followed by Denali, Mottdale, Hurstville, Warlock Creek, Sydney Redford, Central Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction. I had a mind blank. Yay! C15 and C41. And here's another overlook from the north end to the south end. I realise this spot there is some old railways and a few shopping carts. There's a few shopping carts. Why is there some shopping carts? Oh, I'll just take a shopping cart just down the road. What a laugh. I'm gonna leave this vlog here right now. I had to run for my whole entire life because I nearly missed it. So I'm just gonna say my goodbyes. Please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, ring that notification bell. I think I just said that. Hit the like button, and goodbye for now. Bye. My next vlog will be at Sutherland.